Hello, thanks for checking out another WordPress tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Contact Us page with a free contact form by using Contact Form 7 free plugin here. I'll leave a link to this free plugins page, and it is totally customizable with a bunch of fields and options. Anyways, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. And to install this plugin directly, you can go to plugins here, add new, and under this page, add plugins, search for Contact Form 7 right here, just like that. And now look for Contact Form 7. It is right here at the top. Click on Install Now. And once it's done installing, click on Activate. Okay, after the plugin is activated, there will be a new menu item over here. It says Contact. That is your Contact Form 7. And let's click on Contact Forms right here. And as default, it already comes with a Contact Us form. And you just need to copy this right here. This is called a shortcode. And you will add this to a contact page. And if you click on Edit, you can see what it looks like. So here is the edit contact form. This is the default contact form. It comes with fields for your visitor to fill out and then submit the contact form. And basically it includes details like their name, their email address, a subject line, and a message body for them to type in whatever. And you can also customize this form by adding in other details. And again, it's already default as a very basic Contact Us form. There's nothing else to customize. And if you go to the mail settings right here, you can customize like the from email address. It is default to the admin email address for your WordPress installation. And there isn't really anything for you to mess with. It comes default working right out of the box. Just make sure you copy the shortcode right here, the one I showed you earlier. Just make sure you copy this, and then let's click Pages, add new. Let's add a new Contact Us page, and I'm using the classic editor. If you're using the block editor, it works just the same way. Okay, let's give it a title and some text for the Contact Us page. Okay, after you got your title and a brief message, now here you can actually just right click and paste in the shortcode exactly like the one I copied from the contact page. And if you're using the Gutenberg block editor, it works the same way. Just copy and paste in exactly whatever the shortcode is and it'll work. And now let's click on Publish. Okay, let's click on Contact Us page link right here. And there you have it. Got the Contact Us page. Got our contact message here. And then here's the form. They can enter in their name, email, subject, and a message. And then click on Submit, and that will send the message to the admin email of this WordPress site. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.